there's really no telling what's gonna happen because I'm not sure if we're gonna go home with a new ring neck or we're gonna go home with a drunk Ralph.
Walk through life. Every day is a new beginning. Shine your light. It's a day and the world is waiting. Move along to the song, singing in your soul. Feel the beat, clap your hands, let it take control. All you need, all you want, are you ready to find your way? 'Cause every day is a new day. And everything's going your way. And you wanna make it last forever. We'll keep it together, 'cause it keeps getting better.
Loud, come here. Come here, Loud. Come here, Loud. Go home. You have pooed so many times already. Loud. Come home. Loud. Come here. Loud. We are going to either Wilsell or Mabi to find a replacement because I did something today that caused a spark here in our electrical wirings. So we have to get something to replace that. The fact that our house did not explode, whatever that was there, did the work. Yeah, it's circuit breaker, but there's also like the throw thing that like switches to generator if you need to use the generator. I don't know about stuff like that. I just know that I caused it, so we are
Figured out
going.
the last piece to just...
Okay, Ralph is there in video with drawing. Ray is inside the Mabi store. This is Mabi. Checking if there's that item that blew up. I don't know if it blew up though. What I did, I simply connected the computer, the laptop, you know, the Asus one, the one that I'm using right now, and the power just went out. And I knew it was short because it's really right after I connected it. So there's Ralph. Ray's there. And Ralph is there now. Hi. I'm just gonna leave it all to them because I really don't know a thing about electricity and wiring. So this is pretty much Hinigaran in the afternoon. Next stop stop will sell.
Next stop, Ace Hardware.
Oh my God, seriously? You're really considering that?
I have to. This is important. This is the house.
Oh my goodness. So, Mabi didn't have what they need. So, right now we're here at Will Sell to see if they have that. The thing is, after this, we're gonna have to go to Lopez to check if there is. But if there's none, I'm afraid we're gonna have to go to Ace Hardware where we bought it. There's none. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So last is Lopez?
See the hardware?
Ace Hardware. This is pretty much the item that we need to replace. Because as you can see, there's like a burnt area there. Now, I don't know if I also caused that burnt there because that happened when I switched from generator to Naseco. Why ka muni ho?
Wala. Circuit breaker man siyang type?
Yeah, this is part of a what's it called?
Double
Yeah,
throw.
double throw for the
double throw.
switching over to generator.
Oh,
This
we
is
don't
the
have
part
any stocks of this, sir. You may check on the sir. Ace Hardware or Wayman Mom.
Yeah.
Feeling ko pa naman if ever, hindi ko gusto maglakad sa Bacolod. Subong, oh
Ace Hardware.
my God.
Di ka na
That's
sa...
where we bought it in the first
That's where we
place.
bought it,
Oh.
sa Ace Hardware.
Wait, hindi mo? Double throw siya.
Binalbagan?
So before we leave, why don't you ask him what happened with the
I already
fan?
asked him. He said that they're all small sizes.
Oh,
So
the
we're
blade,
still
sir.
waiting.
Yes, sir. I can, sir, order it again, sir.
So there's no item here. I think we're really gonna have to go to Ace Hardware. Someone is saying there's one
Sama,
in the...
check us out.
Just
Yes.
where?
Okay, last stop is Junji Enterprise, I think. I hope they find it there because I don't know if I'm ready to go to Bacolod or travel to Bacolod. So this is like the market in Hinigaran. It gets pretty busy every Thursday and Sunday, which are market days. They are inside that shop where it says Junji. I don't know if you can see it. I see them coming out. So nothing still. So, yeah, we really have to go to Bacolod for that item that was broken or that was burned because there's no Ace Hardware here and we can only find it at Ace Hardware. We didn't get the aircon though, so I'm pretty bummed about that.
What?
I'm pretty bummed about the fact that it's not aircon. It's just that it was about to leave and it was pretty much empty and I said to Rob we might as well just take it since it's already 2:45 and there's no way we're ever coming back that there's still sunlight. So yeah. It was more than an hour trip. We left like 2:45. We arrived at 4:12. Kind of gloomy here in Bacolod.
Do you want some cheese with that wine?
What? I'm not whining. Well, it's just that if you're taking aircon, you wouldn't have to pass by Bago City. Yeah. And we didn't take aircon. Ref was so annoying. We are now at Hayes Hardware. There is the item is available, but for some reason they're still looking for something. A lower ampere version. So this is pretty much what
Sir,
we're
you
looking
need
for.
a sip breaker or that one only?
This is what we need, but the electrician said if we could get one that's 60 amp instead of 100 amp.
Okay, for the
It's a switch between main
Generator.
and
So it was a good thing that Prevacid and his Ventolin nebules are available at Watson's. That's actually a surprise for me because Prevacid is always like out of stock at Mercury Drug and Negros Grace Pharmacy, and imagine it's available at Watson's, and Watson's is just right inside SM, right inside the SM mall. So we got to do all the stuffs in one place. Now Ralph is hungry and we're here in Bacolod Chicken House. If you remember, we vlogged about this when we went, the night before we went to Iloilo. Oh no, when we came back
When we were
already.
dating,
Yeah, because we went to that bar there.
where we'll be going soon.
What's the name of that bar?
I don't know, you can ask them when we go there later.
No, definitely not.
Definitely yes.
No, we're supposed to go home.
Okay, well we can stop there first.
Ay, napo. Now I'm thinking this is not actually where you wanted to go. It's just
No,
the
I
bar.
did want the chicken because this is really the best chicken. At least it was last time.
True, and I believe this is where Janice is always eating. Like all of her family are always inside of this room because I see the design in her Facebook photos. So yeah, there's really no telling what's gonna happen because I'm not sure if we're gonna go home with a new ring neck or we're gonna go home with a drunk Ralph.
Neither, I still have to work today.
Okay, so bar is definitely
We can go to the bar without getting drunk. It's the only place that has the Black Russian.
Okay, so we're done eating. We're just waiting for Manuel because he's going to drive us to Brian. Yeah, I lost this battle. I think we're really gonna end up... Remember earlier I said I don't know what's the outcome of this trip?
You said either Ralph's gonna be drunk or we're gonna have a ring neck. Well, it looks like we're gonna have a ring neck.
Yeah, but we're still gonna be waiting for like 20 to 30 minutes because the ring neck is gonna be traveled from Silay City to Bacolod, which is just like 20 minutes away from here.
Well, either way, Pikachu needs a girlfriend.
So yeah, we're just here outside waiting for Manuel. It's not yet here though. And that is Offshore Bar. It's actually one of the best experiences I've had for this year. I mean, I'm just saying this before this year ends because we don't get to celebrate. I hope Manuel arrives already because I just want to sit.
Well, there's chairs right over there.
No. Well, we are at Ralph's Lovebird with Ralph sitting there. The owner, who's named Brian, went to get the bird. So we're left here.
Yeah, if his name's Brian, why is the name of the store Ralph's?
Exactly, I don't know why. Okay, we just got home. It is probably 9 p.m. or 8:45, and we bought Pika's girlfriend, and Ralph wants to name her Micah. But look at them now. Look at the interaction.
She is really in love. Her eyes are going so much.
Pika doesn't have to flirt with my toes because he actually has a partner now.
So look, that's Micah. So that is really the good.
Never eat first. So we'll probably be very busy just watching these two. Anyway, I'm gonna end my vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our video, please don't forget to give it a thumb up and please subscribe to our channel. Bye!